this is a video on how to do the rowing machine. So let's get started. So now this is what you do. So you take it from that holder. See, so I'm going to show you first, not with the handle. So this is what you do. So pretend I'm holding it like this. Don't do this. Some people do this. That's not what you're supposed to do. So you keep it there, you pull back with your feet, then hands. So now let's do it with this. First feet, then hands. And after that, I'm going to show you how to do it when you're going back without the handle. So it's like this, right? Instead of doing this, this is what you're supposed to do. This time, it's hands first, then feet last. So let's try. Let's do the whole thing like this. So that's a video on how to do the rowing machine. Hi, this is a video on how to use the rowing machine. So let's get started. And then end the video